Hello, welcome to Craft Trading. In this topic, I will walk through how to manage multiple account, right? So typically, our trade copier, which is the Chrome extension, which transports the trade signal from our backend to your broker, typically carries this trade onto one account, whichever is displayed on a Tradovate. It is gonna push or place a trade on that account only. So if you intend to trade on multiple account or copy trade across multiple account, you can use different feature. One, you can use a Tradovate built-in account grouping feature. Like you can group accounts, say this is your account displayed on Tradovate, and our copier will be trading on that. And you can have other accounts 020304. You can put this account into the same group. All right. So say if you want to trade quantity 2 on each account, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 accounts. If you want to trade 2 on each, you need a total of 12. You have to put on the quantity, you have to set 12 so that 2 quantity will trade on each account. So I will show you on the next screen how we can set that using Tradovate account group feature. And the other feature is we can use any trade copiers, any trade copier out there. Example, there is a free trade copier available in NinjaTrader. I will show you that as well. We can use a freely available trade copier to copy trade from the leader account, which extension trades onto other follower accounts. We can copy trade that way as well. So a typical trade flow is a trade comes from our backend through Chrome extension. It will put that trade on the leader account, which is displayed on Tradovate screen, and that trade can be part of groups of account on a Tradovate, or you can treat this account as a leader account, and that trade can be replicated to follower accounts using trade copier, including the NinjaTrader. Let's see how to set account grouping on Tradovate so that we will be able to replicate trade across multiple accounts. So yeah, typically this is our extension pushing trade signals to this account, and we want to trade. This account has to be part of multiple other accounts. To do that, we have to go here, manage groups, and we have to add accounts to these groups, and we have to set respective quantity. In this case, I am saying I want to trade quantity 2 on 3 accounts, so I have to put on this quantity 6, and this quantity will split across the 3 accounts, and at the same time I have to select the group name within the group name. So now this account is going to be part of this account group. So whatever trade comes to this, it is gonna trade the 6. It's gonna split this 6 quantity across the 3 accounts, which is 2 accounts, 2 quantity each. Now this trade is going to be traded on all 3 accounts, but it will split into 3 quantity to each. So if I don't want this account to be part of the group, I just have to remove it. Now this is treated as an individual account than the group account. The other approach to group trade is we can use a different trade copier. There are multiple trade copiers out there, but I will explain how to use a freely available trade copier, freely available by default with NinjaTrader. So this trade copier is free. If we go to, I am on the control center, NinjaTrader control center, and if you go to new, you will find trade copier. Now this trade copier is available free to use through NinjaTrader. Now you have to define 2 things. You have to have the master account, which is the leader account. In this case, I am saying, okay, whatever trade comes to sim 101, I want to push that trade to multiple follower accounts. Maybe I say I tick this one, that would be it. So whenever there is a trade comes to this leader account, that trade will be sent to this follower account in a split of a second. This is very quick, actually in few microseconds. This happens in few microseconds. Yep, this is the other way how to copy a trade from the master or from the leader to the follower. And make sure that you are able to connect to the data provider. And to do that, we go to connection, configure. You can set, like specifically, most likely we are going to use NinjaTrader. You add that, you pass your credential, you will get the connection and stay connected. Then you go to new, then pick the trade copier. You can select the master or the leader and the follower. That's how we can achieve copy trading in NinjaTrader at no cost. This is a free available trade copier in NinjaTrader.